The price tags on the SKMEI 2091 is a wallet-friendly Malaysian ringgit 45.00 or $10. Welcome, watch enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the unboxing experience of the SKMEI 2091, a timepiece that pays homage to the iconic Casio G-Shock GMA-S2100. Let's explore what this package has in store for us. The SKMEI 2091 arrives in a simple package, foregoing the traditional box. It's protected by minimal bubble wrap. Fortunately, our timepiece emerges unscathed. Within the package, we find the SKMEI 2091 watch accompanied by an operating manual. The watch is nestled inside an ordinary plastic, lacking the frills of an elaborate presentation. The watch manual is quite straightforward, a departure from chunky Casio manual. It provides clear instructions without overwhelming detail. The 6-digit digital display boasts a suite of functions, including world time, stopwatch, week and date indicators, 5-alarm, LED light with 12 to 24-hour options, power-saving functions, and a countdown timer. Removing the tag is a breeze compared to Casio, although the model number is absent. The dial captivates with its simplicity. Removing the back case protective sticker unveils not only the watch surface, but also the original SKMEI sticker, emphasizing its brand authenticity. Let's focus on the mesmerizing Tiffany blue dial. The 6-digit digital display sits elegantly in the lower right, complemented by a small subdial indicating the day in the upper left. The case, made of ABS, features buttons for adjust, mode, light and start-stop functions. Unlike the Casio G-Shock GMA-S2100's robust 200 meters, the SKMEI 2091 offers 50 meters water-resistant. While not as extensive, it remains suitable for everyday wear. The case exudes sturdiness, crafted from ABS material. The stainless steel back case displays the SKMEI logo, model number, battery code, and water-resistant level. The silicone strap is not only soft, but also features subtle grips, ensuring a comfortable and snug fit during wear. Examining the case size, we find a width of 45.7 millimeters. A lug-to-lug distance of approximately 49.3 millimeters, a thickness of 14 millimeters, and a lug size of 18 millimeters. Without the protection of a box, the watch appears slightly dusty. Let's delve into the intricate details of the beautiful Tiffany blue dial, where the digital display seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetics. The price tags on the SKMEI 2091 is a wallet-friendly Malaysian ringgit 45.00 or $10. In contrast, its inspiration, the Casio G-Shock GMA-S2100, comes in at a heftier Malaysian ringgit 310.00 or $68. Despite its economical price, the SKMEI 2091 maintains a cool aesthetic and offers a water-resistant to 50 meters. It stands as a practical and affordable alternative to the pricier GMA-S2100. Of course, if your budget allows, the GMA-S2100 is a worthy investment. The watch's lume, though impressive, is confined to the hour and minute hands. However, the backlight compensates with excellent clarity, illuminating both the digital display and the entire dial. It's a noteworthy feature enhancing visibility in low light conditions. Here's how the rather sizable watch looks on my slim 6.5-inch wrist. Despite its larger dimensions, the SKMEI 2091 manages to strike a balance, providing a bold presence without overwhelming smaller wrists. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing journey. The SKMEI 2091 proves to be a compelling choice for those seeking style and functionality on a budget. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one. In conclusion, the SKMEI 2091 emerges as an attractive and affordable alternative to the Casio G-Shock GMA-S2100, delivering on both style and substance without breaking the bank. Until next time, happy timekeeping!